guys, Nick here, aka the Welsh Hobbyist. Got another video for you. It's a walking video. It was in the Brecon Beacons. I actually went to a place quite impromptu with one of my friends, Juicy Pixel, Aaron. I'll put a link in the description about his channel. You know, he's got a lot of videos, a lot of good videos there. But we went to the Four Waterfalls Walk. It's about a 5.5 mile walk. It took us, you know, over 4 hours because of the weather we went in. We decided then to do an overnight stay. Stayed in Brecon in a young housing association hostel. Great place actually. It had all the amenities and you self-catering, so you just come and go as you please. They had a nice sort of place you can sit down, relax in front of a fire. So when we went to the waterfalls, we realised that, you know what, there was a lot of videos online about it in the summertime. And, you know, it looks picturesque. You know, it's lovely. You see it, it's like trickling down, you know, and everyone's there jumping in the water and whatnot. But we didn't really see many when it came to the winter. And we thought, why not? And we realised how much of a mistake that was to a point. We didn't have the right gear. You know, it was absolutely hammering down. It was mud. The river was really, 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 really rapid. And, you know, actually quite scary. You could see quite a bit of debris going down it as well. But we thought, you know what, why not? You know, while we're here, let's give it a go. You'll notice in the actual video, there are moments that are quite spotty. So say I was going to the third falls, for example, there was a lot, and I mean a lot of muddy areas right close to the river. I almost slipped in once and it was actually quite dangerous in certain parts. So yeah, you won't see me doing any video in there. And I was so exhausted after the fourth one, climbing up countless, probably about 200 steps on a like a 45-degree incline. I missed like the top part of it, and, you know, I was just so exhausted. I just coming to the end of the barrel really, but it was a great walk. There was so much water vapor as well. It was literally like going all over the camera. So if you notice the quality's gone down, I'm sorry. So make sure you stay to the end to see all four waterfalls. You know, they were amazing in their own different ways. You know, either just sheer sort of, you know, chaos, or, you know, just seeing the tears going down, and the last one then being able to go behind it. You know, standing behind the waterfall. You know, it's an amazing thing. I never thought I'd be able to actually do that. But yeah, stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Welcome to the home of the Four Falls Trails. We're in the Brecon Beacons on a nice sunny day, and I'm here with Aaron.
Hey, what's up?
And we're just going to go for a quick stroll down to the waterfalls, and then we're going to basically be doing Brecon over the course of the next day. So stick with us, and hopefully the weather get better. We've got well-maintained paths all the way down, which is happy days. It only costs £6 for the parking, which is actually pretty good. It's an all-day one, so if you're ever in the area, come check it out. But nice paths, isn't it? Nice, yes, easy accessible paths, not too rocky. It is a very poor day, but yeah, hopefully, like I said, it'll clear up, or it doesn't matter, just take a dip in the waterfall. I'll be wet enough anyway. So hello. Oh god, that was a hell of a trail that was. But we got to veer off now down this one, which actually looks pretty awesome. Like I was talking in the last episode, when I was on about like a Lord of the Rings sort of vibe, this has really got it for me as well, to be fair. But yeah, you can see we're going down the Four Falls Trail. I am not going to pronounce it in Welsh because I'll probably ruin it. But yeah, this should be really interesting. Can't wait to go down there. What are we having a look at now?
Alright, cool. We're like here.
Oh, right on the map. Oh, right, so it is
just over halfway from the car park to where they start.
Yeah, so we got a four. Well, like I said, it's a Four Falls in it, so we got halfway down, and then yeah.
It looks like we got coverage, which is nice.
Happy days. Can't wait. Do you know what? When I was talking about the Lord of the Rings, I've got a Samwise Gamgee right by here, haven't I? Right then, we're going to be making our way down towards the waterfalls. You probably won't be able to hear me down there, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the views for you of it. You don't always want to be hearing my voice anyway, so this is what we're here for. We'll get down there, we'll show you. We're going to try and get to all 4. It is a bit of a trek, but I know we'll at least get 3 done today, but if we get a 4th one done, happy days. Not gonna lie, it's actually a bit sketchy going down these, but to get to the waterfalls, to get to the big juicy bit of the video, we have to do it. Jesus, it's gonna be fun for Aaron. Yeah, it's not easy, is it? Good luck, Aaron. He's not very good on his feet, so it's quite funny sometimes. Whoop. Yep. Whoop. Up. Yep. Hop. Easy as pie. Easy if you're tall. Oh, like I said, really well maintained paths. I'm really liking this walk. Snaking down. There is some serious water going down there. And there's a really awesome perch over there, which would be great for a drone footage, but we're just on the other side, so we just won't be able to do that today. Time to make our descent to the next 2 waterfalls. Aaron's got his camera out, ready to vlog extra. And I pick and choose because it's very wet, and yeah, my hands get cold. I didn't think it was this cold, but actually my hands are cold, but you know, we persevere. We'll get to all 4, I reckon. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Waterfalls 2! Sorry if that's loud, but it's louder here. Wow. I don't like heights, by the way, but wow. Can you imagine this in summer? This was even cooler than the last one, I think, because you can get this close. Oh, I'm telling you now, this route has been hard. It's been real hard. Absolutely sodden. If you're going to do this in the winter, don't do it in hiking shoes. It's absolutely sodden here. It's almost fallen a couple of times, but we're almost at the 3rd now, and then we've got to go back through all that, so unless there's an alternative route. This is actually decent path compared to what we've had. As I mentioned before, I would probably do this more in the summertime than in the winter. That was really hard work. We're well behind schedule now. We was making good progress, but still really cool though, I gotta admit. But that's hell of a work that was. But just waiting on Aaron now. He's basically exhausted, I think. Having fun? Oh yeah. If you're gonna do this, ideally have wellies or old high boots, because it's just really muddy, like really muddy. But doesn't dampen our down it. We'll progress now to the last one, and yeah, have a well-deserved pint at some point, I think. But I'll catch you at the next waterfall. We're coming up on the last one now. This is, I ain't gonna be able to pronounce that one, but and they're doing a path improvement, which is great. Hopefully this one's gonna be a lot easier than the last one. But you can see this is probably where a lot of people just come and have their lunch after going down, but let's make our way down there. I think this is a joining river to the other one, so the waterfalls come off separately. But if you can't hear me, then I apologise, but this is going to be cool, so I'll probably just put some music over the top of this, see how my editing skills are getting on. But I hope you enjoy. a long trek back now to the car. Oh, it's been a hard day. Definitely a pint in order. But I'll video anything of interest on the way back if there's some nice views, but you're not really going to see much today. It's quite wet. But yeah, anything pops up that's of interest, I will let you know. Otherwise I'll probably finish the video at the car. Oh, just coming up on the car park now. God, that was an heck of a trek. That was over 3.5 hours. 4 waterfalls, 2 drenched guys, and a desperate need for a pint. But yeah, if you can leave a like, subscribe, do the notification buttons down below. Hopefully I'll have some more content like this for you upcoming. But yeah, if you can comment on the video as well, I'd appreciate it, and let me know what you think of this video, and if you would like to go to see the waterfalls yourself. But again, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.